The crypto market reached $3 trillion in 2021, as popular cryptocurrencies hit record highs. The popularity of meme coins, like Dogecoin, also increased dramatically. The digital currency's rise prompted financial regulators to take a closer look. Some even predict that digital currency will become the next big thing. Here are 5 crypto predictions for 2022 that may never happen. The crypto market will be $3 trillion, with popular coins such as Dogecoin hitting record highs. In addition, there will be an increased focus on digital currencies by financial regulators. As a result, there will be less ape-like behavior from newcomers. Despite being heavily impacted by a crypto winter, some analysts are optimistic that Bitcoin will top $50,000. In late October, predictions for this were rife, including a price of $100,000 by year's end. Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $69,000 in November last year, but since then, it has only traded backward. While some analysts doubled down on their predictions, it's hard to see that Bitcoin will ever reach $100,000. In addition, the price of Bitcoin may be affected by macroeconomic conditions. Interest rate hikes by the Fed and inflation could affect Bitcoin's price. In addition, the price of Ethereum was predicted to outperform Bitcoin by 2022. However, this didn't happen during the second quarter of 2022, despite the Ethereum merge. While SHIB's price may hit $100 by 2022, it was down around $0.0000004 at the beginning of the year. Analysts say that a resurgence of the cryptocurrency market could cause this currency to break past its early 2021 high. Furthermore, UNI token price could also break $100 by 2025. SHIB is also considered to be the second most popular meme currency, and its market cap is estimated at $6 billion. The price of Cardano is predicted to increase 4 or 5 times in the next 5 years, a figure that isn't unreasonable. However, if this bull run is to be sustainable, it would require a massive expansion in market capitalization of almost 30 times. Depending on whether it is successful, Cardano may reach $22 by the end of 2022, with a market cap of more than $734 billion. However, it is important to note that Cardano is an unregulated investment product with no investor protection in the EU or UK. If it can reach the price of $10, it could easily flip ETH to the bottom of the Bitcoin market cap. In the same breath, there are predictions that many projects will dethrone Bitcoin or disappear entirely. While this is not necessarily true, it does raise the possibility that the blockchain space will become a lot more competitive. For one thing, this could create a climate where projects are not as easily manipulated by annoying shills. Meanwhile, engineers may be free to focus on building things instead of chasing the price of Bitcoin. Another thing that may not come true is the rise of Ethereum 2.0. Although Ethereum is not as popular as Bitcoin, it is the second most popular cryptocurrency, and it may overtake Bitcoin by 2022. Regardless, the future of cryptocurrency is uncertain, but the trend toward adoption is likely to continue for years to come. And as it continues to gain acceptance, more businesses will start accepting cryptocurrency as legal tender. Assuming these trends continue, we should expect the cryptocurrency market to continue to rise. The price of Bitcoin is currently near its $19,000 ATH. Although this is still quite high, it could fall to $16,000 by the end of 2022. Moreover, some analysts predict that Ethereum may outperform Bitcoin in 2022. However, these predictions were not fulfilled in the first half of 2022. The price of Cardano is a good example of a cryptocurrency that is currently under $1. Its supply is about 45 billion coins, with only a third of that number circulating. This means that it will be harder for someone to pump its price and make money on it. Nonetheless, there are some good reasons for the coin to reach a higher price. In 2022, experts are divided on where the crypto market will go. There are supporters who believe it is the future of finance, while skeptics say it is just a bubble waiting to pop. No matter what happens to the market in 2022, it's likely to remain a hot topic. Some of the most popular predictions for 2022 have failed to materialize. Meme coins, for example, were a big craze last year, and investors rushed to buy the newly born, obscure cryptos. Prices shot up almost uncontrollably, and a few people made fortunes off of them. The Federal Reserve has tapered its emergency spending program and is expected to raise interest rates in 2022. While this should tame inflation, it will also put downward pressure on the price of speculative assets. The SEC has been aggressive, and it will most likely use enforcement to help establish clarity in this area. Although it's impossible to predict cryptocurrency prices with any certainty, there are a few predictions that have proven to be true. ETH, for example, was once predicted to hit $10,000 a few years later. However, this prediction was altered after the market's bearish correction of 2022. Some experts are confident that the crypto party won't end in 2022. However, they note that the biggest risk is likely already priced in the market. The Federal Reserve is also considering quantitative tapering, the biggest risk to the crypto market, and that factor is likely priced in. The rise of decentralized organizations is an important prediction for the future of crypto. Blockchain technology allows them to bypass regulation, and decentralized autonomous organizations can ignore it. Regulation is a significant issue in the future of this sector. These developments are sure to change the nature of the typical crypto investor. The adoption of crypto technology is expected to continue to increase. This can trigger a rally in prices. Analysts predict that the price of Bitcoin could surpass $1 million by 2022. Assuming the market recovers, the price of Bitcoin may increase by tenfold or even more. As a result, the cryptocurrency market may be the best investment opportunity for 2022.